What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be attempting a wash and go on my hair. If you are subscribed to my channel for a long period of time, you already know that I tried to do this wash and go sometime before and it did not work out. While I was doing the rod set on my hair and I was using the gel on the ends, I realized that I did get some definition from the olive oil gel, the Ampro Olive Oil Gel, which is this one. I decided, you know what? Let me go ahead and try to do this wash and go with this gel on my hair, since I already have gel in my hair anyways. So what could happen? What's the worst thing that could happen, right? I already have gel in my hair and I do need to wash out the gel anyways, so I might as well go and add some more gel and maybe, just maybe, it might work out. I don't know, so let's see. So I already went ahead and detangled my hair, so my hair is detangled somewhat, and I'm gonna open up my gel and I am going to go each section at a time. So I'm gonna unravel this section. Oh my gosh. Don't be messing up my lashes. Don't do it. Okay, so I'm going to take this small section and I don't want to wet it too much. So I'm just going to put some gel on here. And see if I get any definition. Let's see. Okay, I'm seeing a little something happening. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little more gel. Okay, I see something happening, so I'm going to just go through each one and, you know, and kind of, not finger coil, but just like smooth the gel a little bit.
I know. I am champion, I am champion. Hope fell down on me, people gave up on me. Plans I made for years all crashed down on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool, all walked out on me. Luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, lights went out on me. Change caved in on me. For the kid. Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me. Dreams I had for years all came down on me. Trust gave in on me, lies came in on me. Friends I had for years on me. Else came in on me. Love gave in on me. But in my mind, I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion. Hope fell down on me. People gave up on me. Plans I made for years all crashed down on me. Time gave in on me. Everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool all walked out on me. Luck ran out on me. Rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way. Lights went out on me.
Oh my gosh, my hair is feeling like so heavy. Oh my gosh, why does my hair feel so heavy? It feel like I have on a wig with a lot of water in it. I don't know how else to explain it. It just feels so heavy. Oh my goodness. Okay, almost done.
I survive. I am champion. Time gave in on me. Everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool all worked out on me. Time gave in on me. Everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool all worked out on me. Luck ran out on me. Rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way. Everything hard on me. Time gave in on me. Everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool. Everything hard.
Why my lashes got my eyes looking, one look sleepy, the other one look awake? It's my lashes, it's not my eyes. Okay, so this is my hair after I put all the gel in it. Oh my gosh, I'm about to rip off these lashes because this one eye is like looking tired and this one is looking awake. I don't know what's going on. It's the lash. This is how it's looking so far. It's extremely heavy. It is really heavy, but I don't know, it's looking kind of cute, you know?
I am champion.
Okay, we back. Okay y'all, so this is the next day and this is how I slept with my hair so that I could see what the results would look like. Day 2. So I'm gonna take this off. Okay. And I don't even know what to do, baby. I am going to try to fluff it out some type of way. I think it's looking kind of cute. Okay. I don't know, my hair still feel kind of heavy. I don't know. It still has its little definition or whatever. Looks cute. I can't really see the back, so I don't know how the back looking. Hopefully it looks okay. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And yeah, this is my fake wash and go.
All traded in on me.
FAUX Wash and Go. Alright, see you guys. Bye.
Else came in on me, love gave in on me, but in my mind, I'm in my mind.